What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Crazy stuff going on, guys. Crazy stuff going on. As you guys remember, yesterday I made a video basically talking about the market starting to dip lower and how I was on the fence about buying in for some of these cryptocurrencies, but I did actually take a leap of faith and buy into Bitcoin, and I decided also to wait a little bit on the XRP price because we started to see some turbulence and prices didn't seem to be correcting upwards. But I said I would wait to see how the S&P 500 would open and see how this could inevitably affect the cryptocurrencies. But we did buy into Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, by some stroke of luck, the markets actually did decide to fall a little bit lower, which is pretty cool. So we are in a profitable trade right now, to my surprise. And not only that, we're starting to see the S&P dip a little bit lower too, as yesterday actually opened and started to correct lower. And the second that decided to happen, we started to see Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies start to dip lower too, which is interesting. You can also see we probably should have put a trade in on Ethereum here, as Ethereum is dipping quite substantially lower than Bitcoin here. But with us confirming closing below this uptrend here, it did make sense that we would correct lower. I was just on the fence, just like I was on XRP. So it was a missed opportunity. Hopefully you guys took advantage of that, but I was able to get in on Bitcoin, so that is pretty exciting. Guys, today is my 24th birthday, February 19th. Also, it's around 4 years since I started doing YouTube. When I was 20 is when I started YouTube. Now I'm 24. Really crazy how I've been practically making a video every other day, or every day now, every single day for the most part on YouTube, which is insane because you can see the history of my videos and it tracks my age, my progress, and you can see how I looked when I was 20 making these videos, and you can see where we are today at 24 making these videos. So it's really crazy to see what what the journey has been in the past 4 years, to where I started to what I am now and where I will be in the future. So it's pretty incredible, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for making this all possible, and I do appreciate it. So guys, also for my birthday, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Hopefully you guys remember this giveaway from a couple of months ago. As you guys can see here, my friends over at Crypto Coin Display said I can give away one of these for my birthday, which is really exciting. Either the Bitcoin Crypto Coin Display here, which I do have, or the XRP Crypto Coin Display, which I currently have in the background of all of my videos. So all you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed, as I will be checking. And if you're not subscribed, you won't win. And next week, I will be picking a winner at random to see who is the lucky one to win one of these, and I will ship it out to you ASAP. So definitely make sure to take advantage of that. With that being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by MARGEX. As you guys can see here, MARGEX is your reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. So like I say before on the channel, I like to show you guys as many options as you can for differences or different cryptocurrency exchanges, because not always one is the best. And I like to show you guys all the different ones available, and you can make your educated decision on which one you feel more comfortable with. So with that being said, guys, we will be talking more about MARGEX at the end of today's video, as they do have, as you can see here, some pretty interesting programs that they do run, such as the MP Shield. So more information about MARGEX will be at the end of today's video. With that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and for my birthday. Turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, currently we are on the current coin market cap. Once again, this is definitely wrong as per usual. Coin market cap definitely needs to get on top of that. We are definitely not up 9.72% today. We're definitely not at 2 trillion on global market cap. I don't know why it does that. I've also noticed if I go to CoinGecko and I pull it up, you can see a better overall global crypto market cap. This is more accurate right now. We're down 2.7%, which is accurate, and we're at about 1.88 trillion. So it's not 2.2 trillion and up 9.7. I don't know why current coin market cap does that. I don't understand it. Regardless, these are accurate in regards to the way the prices have been fluctuating. And you can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum got hit harder. Like it's unfortunate that I wasn't able to put a short in on Ethereum. I only decided to do Bitcoin thinking that Ethereum was kind of just floating just like XRP was. And I'm glad I didn't put a short in on XRP because XRP is up 5%. So interesting. Ethereum's down 5.47, XRP's up 5.19, and Bitcoin is down about 1% currently. So very interesting, but we did get a good profitable trade in, nothing crazy, but like I said before, it was definitely more of an aggressive trade that we put in here. So you can see for the most part, markets are still consolidating and they are still, correcting lower here. And you can see what was interesting with XRP. So the other reason why I was kind of a little bit worried about buying into XRP was you can kind of see the supports that we were falling down to. So we fell, I believe it was yesterday or 2 days ago. And then we were consolidating yesterday, and I was a little uncertain about it. But you can see we fell to a very similar level here. And let's just say for today, if I was to draw this in, you can kind of see how this has acted in the past as a pretty familiar buffer. I mean, look, we've had wicks retest it on numerous occasions. We've had prices retest it. We've had resistance and supports and resistances. So I was a little worried about buying in because it could have been a little low. And that's why I didn't buy into XRP. And it's actually good to see that we're consolidating now on this. I mean, at this point now I can delete our ascending triangle and it's more so forming. It's interesting. It's not an uptrend anymore in regards to like this. This is over, but now maybe some sort of like upwards trend. I don't know. It's definitely hard to look at and figure this out, but it's some sort of, pattern here, whether maybe it's a descending triangle now, something along the lines of this. This is definitely a big possibility. It appears to be more so a pennant flag forming here. You can see the big bullish run to the upside. Now we're forming this big pennant flag, but it seems like prices are starting to break through it, which is interesting. We're bouncing off the 4-hour moving average. We'll see how this reacts. You're already starting to see us, reverse downwards here. We might just consider filling in the gap, completing this, then seeing that run in some sort of direction there. So I expect that to happen before we see any sort of movement here, which ends right about the 24th. So about 5 days, maybe into next week and the next week before we see any sort of, movement here. But it's interesting. We're retesting the bottom of the 4-hour and we're retesting the top of the XRP resistance. And then you can see if we jump to the weekly here, we're retesting right inside the moving averages. So we're in a very peculiar area here inside this moving average here. But it makes trading a little bit more complicated, I would say. But moving forward, Ethereum, not so much. I'm actually kind of disappointed we didn't buy into Ethereum yesterday when we had the chance here, or buying in 2 days ago when prices closed us below this ascending fractal, this uptrend here, this like ascending, widening mouth fractal-like thing. And you can see that prices were creating higher lows and higher highs, and we just broke through, which is now forming lower high formations here. And because we broke through this uptrend here, which is unfortunate, prices are probably expected to pull back down. I wouldn't be surprised at $2,400. There's a very big chance we're going to continue to correct lower. It's really unfortunate, but this is now just going to continue its lower high pattern. You can see as I'm drawing in where all the highs were for the most part. This is one here, so it's interesting, but you can kind of see how if this is continued, this could continue to spiral us down to this bottom support here, this lower high formation that's happening to Ethereum right now. So there is a big short opportunity now. I don't know. I wouldn't personally buy into this with expectations of a dip lower. You could. It's more of a risky trade. Let's just say that. If you want to play it aggressive, I do believe we could probably swing down to $2,400 from the current price that we're at, as well as looking at Bitcoin here. You can see for the most part that we did break through this uptrend here a little bit more aggressive than the other cryptos. Ethereum didn't do it as much, just so slightly closed below this uptrend here, which is why I didn't buy in. But Bitcoin did. Bitcoin actually broke through these supports here, pretty vital, and that's why we bought in here, and we're just down only 1%. So we'll see how this plays out. I do have a stop loss now pretty tight, so I won't lose profits if we do decide to head back up, which is totally fine with me, but prices are kind of stagnant right here waiting to see what happens, but I'm not entirely sure. I do have a bet that we're going to continue to dip lower, but it doesn't matter. You know, we did short this. Prices are, you know, correcting. We had that bearish cross on the MACD on Ethereum, XRP. We'll see how this goes. It really just depends on how these markets play out. Lastly, looking at the S&P 500, you guys can see clear as day that right now prices are consolidating, and you can see yesterday we closed right on the support. This is a pretty vital support, I would think, for the S&P specifically. This is about, you know, that was a terrible line drawn, but this is about where there's like some sort of channel here where prices tend to typically get stuck in here that we've done since this was back in July of 2021. We had a big one in September of 2021, September, October. Big retest back in January, end of January, and here we are retesting it again. The only difference now is we have some sort of lower high, allowing us to reject off the top resistance, gain support at the bottom here, and we do need to fill in this gap. I mean, hopefully we don't break early. That would be very unfortunate, but we would buy the dip. Otherwise, there's a chance we're going to probably Monday see a swing back up. That's the ideal scenario that I'm looking for. Maybe we see another day close this lower. I don't know. I don't think we'll see a big daily candle close this, but it's possible. Regardless, I do have a bet that we're probably going to see a swing there, which means Monday we might start to see prices swing back up, but who knows? Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk more about MARGEX with you. All right, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to MARGEX for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So, guys, MARGEX's goal is to provide traders with a world-class user experience, a fair, secure, and easy-to-use trading platform with the highest class of financial technologies in the world. Now, guys, MARGEX is the go-to cryptocurrency trading platform for thousands of traders currently who prefer having full control over their trades, as well as transparency and security. And along with the premium user experience, the platform offers up to 100x leverage on all its trading pairs, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, EOS Litecoin, and exclusively Yearn.finance. And guys, another unique feature that they offer, unlike other exchanges that allow for unfair liquidations and price manipulations, is their AI-based MP Shield technology by MARGEX. Now, MARGEX came into the space of crypto trading to bring crypto leverage trading to a new level of comfort, and while also getting rid of complicatedness. Now, MARGEX is the first community-driven cryptocurrency derivative exchange that any trader can participate in building their dream trading platform. And a few main features of MARGEX is that they offer no KYC, they have a lightning-fast order execution with no lags, no overloads, no order submission orders, and so on and so forth. And they also have very high liquidity backed by 12 liquidity providers, and there's no maintenance time, which means all platform updates are instant. And guys, MARGEX is even easy to sign up for, and the platform is easy to use. And it's really not complicated to start and advanced enough for the pros. They also have the friendliest to use UI in the industry, and all deal indicators such as trading fees, financing, P&L, etc. are on the screen available in real time for any deal. Now, MARGEX also has a simultaneous use of stop loss and take profits for each trade, which means no need to check what's happening every minute. Now, their unique MP Shield AI-based system that we mentioned protects users from price manipulation, which prevents from unfair liquidations. Now, the assets price on MARGEX never deviates from the top spot exchange, and MARGEX offers traders a profitable affiliate program amongst most trading platforms in the crypto industry. Now, the crypto-funded website renders advanced trading fees that have a 40% cut from the crypto investors' referrals. With these low trading fees, MARGEX provides traders with an enhanced referral arrangement, which will help them profit instead of rendering high affiliate program settlements on the platform. So guys, for more information about MARGEX, definitely make sure to check out the links in the description of today's video, where you can find their website as well as their social media. Otherwise, huge shout out to MARGEX for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.